Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make one of the yummiest parathas you're ever going to eat. This is known as garlic paratha and we're going to make it with simple ingredients. Those are available at any kitchen. This is like so easy to make. You can make it at home with just few ingredients and you're absolutely going to love it. This has garlic in it and it's so healthy to eat. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and with that I have taken wheat flour 1 cup as well, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon salt, and with that I'm taking 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Mix this quite well, and then we're going to move to the next process. Well, for mixing I'm using a spatula. You can also use a spoon, or even you can do it with your hands, but if some people do not like to make their hand dirty, so they can use like a glove or wear a glove. So with that I'm adding 1.5 cup of water, and I'm going to mix it quite well. Now on this place I'm going to apply a little bit more sugar. We have to do a little sugar, and I'm going to add some water gradually because we have to make a consistency that's going to be a liquid consistency. So we have to make this dough or this batter to be a little liquidy, not that much thick. We're not making a dough, we're making a batter. So I'm going to add oil into it, and then I'm again going to mix it with the help of a spatula, and I'm also adding green chopped chilies into it, and as well as green chopped coriander. So with that I'm adding garlic, chopped garlic, and it's so easy to make. It's just like a pancake mixture or batter. Just like we make pancakes, we're going to make a paratha out of it. So now after mixing it quite well, we're going to move towards the next process. All the ingredients are mixed very well. Now I have taken a pan. I'm going to place or spread 1 teaspoon of oil onto it, and I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to spread it quite well so that the oil is spread all over the pan. And you can also take frying pan if you like, are easy to make on that. Now I'm going to take the batter and I'm gonna spread it all over so that it takes the shape, it takes a round shape and it takes the shape of paratha. And then later on we're going to flip it out when it's like baked from one side. The easiest way to see whether the paratha is cooked from each side is that when it starts to get brown, the whiteness of this upper side starts to get completely end or completely reduced, then we can say one side is completely cooked. Then we're going to flip it out, but you can see there is a little bit of whiteness over there, so we're going to take it a little time and then we're going to flip it out. And you can see that it's gonna take a little time. We're going to spread a little bit of more oil into it. You can just follow the same process like I am doing it. Just follow it up. It will be much easier for you. So while this paratha is getting fried, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. So our paratha is getting baked, or you can say getting fried. Now we have to flip it time to time, and we have to apply some of the oil onto it because it's a kind of paratha, so paratha needs a lot of oil while baking it, while cooking it. So the best way to see whether the paratha is completely cooked or not, it will be turning into like more brownish color, and there will be a little brown or kind of blackish spots on it. You can see that one side is completely turned out to be golden brown, and then we're gonna wait for other side to get golden brown, and then we can serve this paratha in front of your or guest, or you can eat it completely with anything, with any kind of ketchup or sauce or mayonnaise or whatever you like. You can eat it with that. Now it's ready to be presented in front of the guest. Now you can eat this paratha with raita or sauce or whatever you like, and this is one of the most yummy paratha you're ever going to eat. You can also eat it with imli sauce. That's the one of the tastiest sauce. And now if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video.